Welcome to the video for my Bachelor Thesis on Privacy of Wearable Data in Generated Information Systems. Wearable technology can be characterized as body-borne, computational and sensory devices that can detect the individual who is wearing them and/or their surroundings. Many wearable devices gather personal and private information. By doing so, they facilitate companies to create complex user profiles, possibly leading to privacy concerns. To provide users with relevant information concerning privacy of wearable data, an information system was implemented using MontyGem. MontyGem provided a generated information system which was used as a basis and further developed to create the complete system. Now to the created information system. After having logged into the system, the user is presented with a title and message to choose between going to the import settings or creating dummy data. The option to create dummy data was added for users to be able to use the system if they do not own a wearable device or are not willing to import their data to the system. This information bar gives an overview of the information system, providing a number amount for the connected devices, privacy policies, viewable data details, collected customer details, the amount of sensors in the connected devices, and how many possible privacy concerns there currently are. If we now go to the import settings, we will see the supported devices with their names and images. After choosing a device, a new menu is shown with an appropriate message of all the possible uploads that can be made. For each upload, a help button is available that shows the necessary steps to find the required file. These steps also include clickable parts that redirect the user to the appropriate link. In this case, the Garmin Connect sign-in page. When the user has his files ready, they can be chosen with the upload button and imported. After the upload, a log message is shown, confirming the import under the device, stating the file name, date and time of the last import. After having imported the data or having created dummy data, the whole information system is initiated, with a variety of pages, including the dashboard. The dashboard now shows the filled information bar with all the numbers, which are clickable and redirect to the correct page in the system. For the viewable data details, two tables are shown, one per device, in this case for the Garmin and the Apple device. This table shows a more detailed look at the data collected by the devices. By clicking on the View button, further details are shown. Going back to the dashboard, we can now take a look at the Customers page that shows a side-by-side row table with all the customer-related data to easily see the differences in amount of collected customer data. If we go to the company page, we see the same side-by-side design to facilitate the comparison of the company's information and the privacy policies practices. The device page shows the currently connected devices with additional information including the sensors that are found inside, which are relevant to the possible privacy concerns. If a user would like to know more about the sensors, they can click on the View Sensors Details button, which redirects them to the sensors page. The sensors page has information on different sensors that are available on the connected devices. It shows their measure, the unit, the list of devices it is found in, and the APIs that developers can use to include the sensors feature into their applications. Additionally, if the sensors are associated with privacy concerns, these are indicated with an explanation under the sensor. This completes the result video of the implemented information system for privacy of wearable data. Thank you for listening.